stretches in various places, including Brandon. The system from Montana will reach southwestern Manitoba this evening and will continue moving northeast through to Monday.
Well, everyone, we're heading out again. It's March 1st, and I saw something on Facebook today that said Manitoba weather is like spring and winter fighting for custody. And that's so true. One day it'll be, minus 20, the next day it's plus 7. So we're supposed to get some weather system come through this weekend. They said it's going to be obviously stronger on the west side. It's coming from southwest up from the US into Saskatchewan and Manitoba, but it's gonna hover mostly around the inner lake in western Manitoba. So we're eastern, we're still supposed to get either freezing rain or crazy winds. We're supposed to get some kind of weather. So we've had this trip planned for a while. It's just coincidence that the weather's gonna be entertaining maybe. And we're trying out a new tent. So today we are going to be using the Russian Bear UP-5. So yeah, so that's going to be different. I've never actually camped in this one yet. It's brand new, and we're going to give it a shot. So let's get out there. It's on the left side of the truck underneath your woods bag. Both of our heads were down here together at the other door. Is that where you're at?
Where are you putting the kitchen?
Down at the end. Well, you can see behind me that the weather's starting to move in. It's overcast now, no sun left. It's gray, it's cloudy, snow's coming. So I just got the stove tote inside, and I'm gonna get the stove going here. Freaking out, eh? Good, good, good. Hey, you like that heat? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, camp is set up. We've got a couple windows to put in. The clear windows that go over there, and the fancy door that this comes with. And we're done. Stovepipes have all burnt off. It is way too hot in here. But the dogs were cold. Everyone's toasty warm now. Door, obviously. So that's where the dogs are going to eat and drink. And then we've got the stove. This is the chimney configuration I had to work with this time. It's a good thing I brought all the extra pieces I did, because I used every one of them. Propane tanks. Ooh, that's windy. Camp kitchen. So we've got some electronics and storage underneath my cot, but this is my bed. And then we've got Birch's bed. This is actually a cot as well he's on. And then the wife's cot. And we just got some storage for junk at her feet there. So pretty much all settled in here. It's definitely larger. There's a bigger footprint in the middle of the floor. Like there's actually quite a bit of space here. We've still got to set up our camp chairs, or mini ones, at night to sit in here. But that total will be under the bed, so there's more than enough room for us to sit in our little chairs in here. But I was expecting bigger. It's still a good, comfortable tent, quick setup, pretty easy. There's 9 tie outs that we have to use on this tent as a minimum, and that's every leg plus the chimney. Where the chimney goes, there's a tie out there to hold that panel away, kind of out. We definitely had to have that. So yeah, that's the inside. I'll probably bring my action cam in here at some point and be able to give you like a super wide angle so you can kind of see more of it at once. But for now, we got to go out and install some windows and the special door. Kind of like the vestibule on the Pentagon, how it velcros. So now, there's the door, and I should be able to okay, now we are going to put some windows in. So that's cool that we can have both though with a clear window.
Good?
Yeah, that's good.
You got a hole here, look. Bird child. I feel like my hair is stuck to the thing.
It is.
I can feel it. I feel like I've rubbed a fuzzy balloon on my head.
Okay, hopefully you can see the kind of the whole picture now. I don't know, I'm in 4K, so my front screen won't work on the action cam, but I'm hoping I'm getting as much of this for you as possible. So it's pretty cozy in here. Like, it's not too tight. I don't feel like claustrophobic or anything like that. It's kind of just right. If it was minus 40, this is almost the perfect size because it's not too big where we're heating space for no reason, but it's not too small where you feel like you can't move around. Like, we can move around in here. Big difference between the Pentagon and this one. This one has way more room, bit of a different design. I do have the hexagon coming. So the RBM hexagon is on its way, should be about another 8-9 days. I'm hoping to get to try that one out this year. But it is apparently a beast compared to the Pentagon. Quite a bit bigger, and that's kind of what I'm going for, is a family tent that's the hub style, that's a quick setup for weekend trips. This is what it looks like. Hope you're getting a decent view. And I'll go this way, show you one more time over here. Kitchen and stove and everything. Hopefully that's turning out. So yeah, and then if you look up, you can see the top there. We got a lantern on and some electronics up there. We got a couple windows. And that's it. Go, bud. Go. Look out, bud. We got us a good collection here. Good boy.
Why is there snow all over my chair?
Birch just jumped into it.
Huh? And you just decided not to clean it off?
It just happened.
Just wait, Nika. I gotta clean snow off my chair.
Well, we should have a blizzard or some kind of weather system come in tomorrow afternoon and last all Saturday night and Sunday. But tonight, it's perfect. Perfect weather.
Stars now. I'll be able to see it. Oh, it's right there.
Whoa. Settle down. Night, everyone. Bye. Yo, breakfast time, eh? You go, boy. Morning, everyone. I don't think this shape is conducive to the best layout that we've had. I think we've had the Pentagon at a better layout. I'm about 49% sure I'm selling this tent right now. Alright, I gotta get some water going here.
In various places, including Brandon. The system from Montana will reach southwestern Manitoba this evening and will continue moving northeast through to Monday.
Where are we going first?
I don't know. Hey!
Toy!
Let's go.
Where's your toy?
Where's your toy? Come here, bring me the toy. Bring me the toy.
What are you doing here? There's a hawk missing off this one right on the edge of the berm.
Oh yeah, I see. Let's go, bud. Good boy. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Found that one yesterday.
Oh yeah. Oh, it might be a bit punchy. Oh yeah. Still be good. We'll burn it. Yeah. This one's been dead a while.
I think it's hollow all the way through.
Yeah.
But it'll still burn, right?
Oh yeah. Good
This
day.
one here might be. This big guy might be dead.
Good daytime burning wood. There we go.
What are you doing here?
I just got the truck blocking the wind. It's nice here, but it's still windy out there. Some good wood. Oh boy. Enough for now. Break time. Nice. Controlled. Very nice. It's gonna go up like paper. What are you doing, bud? You good? You good boy?
We're not going in there. It's warm enough out here. You can stay in there.
Good boy. Keep some bait on there, maybe. I don't even know if there's any fish in this pond. I doubt it. And I don't think this is one that gets stocked out here. But we're just gonna throw a line in and see what happens. Good boy! Look at that boy! Oh, good boy. Careful.
Hey!
Yeah.
Aren't you supposed to try the reverse?
Huh?
Aren't you supposed to try?
I tried, it doesn't work.
Doesn't work?
No, forward works. That's why I left it so long. Forward kicks it out of the hole. There's no ice in there. It's perfectly clear. Now let's go. Let's go back up here. You're such a good boy, eh?
Well, you should have seen him over there. He was just out of the camera view.
Oh yeah?
He went around in a bunch of circles as if he was tracing his tail.
I suppose I could have set both of them up, but I don't think there's fish in here. gonna make quesadillas now. First time trying this. So, we'll see how it goes. Okay.
Oh my word.
I don't know. I don't know about this. I don't know how to get underneath it. The pan is just... Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay.
Yep, just.
It's not bad. Huh? That's good, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's good too, huh?
Ooh.
It looks good though. Yeah.
Hey, Bert, can I get this dirty?
Yep. That's good. It's all hot too.
It's a quesadilla, of course it's good.
Oh, well, it's 10 o'clock, just about, 1:45. And we're getting some freezing rain right now. Freezing rain or rain pellets or sleet or something. So the weather is here. For the wind, we must be fairly sheltered here. And the wind is still not coming from the direction it said it was going to. So it's still, what would you say it is? Like it's still coming from over there. Should be coming from over there. East-northeast is what it said it was going to be.
So it's coming northwest.
But it's still northwest. So we're more sheltered from a northwest wind than we would be in east-northeast. So, I don't know. But the weather's here. So, it should only get worse from here. Well. Good boy. Good boy. I know, good boy. Well, that was a pretty good trip. It's Saturday night. We go home tomorrow morning. I'm not sure how much filming I'm going to do. It's supposed to be really windy tomorrow. The latest, I just looked on the inReach again, the latest is 98 km/h winds for tomorrow. So that's, oh yeah, thanks. That's 98 km/h winds for tomorrow is a lot. Now, we're not sure if we're sheltered a lot or a little bit, but we do have some sheltering in here, but not, I don't think a whole lot. We're not really sure. I guess we'll find out tonight. So yeah, supper's done, dogs are fed, we just went for a walk just to burn off some energy, and that's it. We're in for the night. We're just watching a movie here. Let's see if I can show you. Got the projector screen up there. Projector. Aim Tom. So yeah, we're just kind of riding out the night till we get tired. Well, good morning. We've got some more freezing rain going on. It's crazy windy out here, and we're just getting out of bed to start packing up to go home. Well, we're all loaded, ready to go. Hopefully the dead cat is muffling the wind enough that you can hear me. It's crazy windy out here. And yeah, we're packed up. That tent was pretty tough to pack away. It's a big tent, but we got her done. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.